Okay, this is the submission checklist. Again, this is a generalized checklist. It may vary from different journals. Okay, instead of putting the checklist of each and every journal, I've done like I have made a generalized procedure. Most journals follow this procedure only. So first step is manuscript as a PDF in double column single space format using one of the required article templates. Okay, these templates, let me tell you that these templates are available on the sites. Okay, they have provided you a sample template. You should follow that template only for a particular journal. Okay, then authors list should be carefully considered before submission. Okay. Okay, so you want do one Python programming session with machine learning, same problem. Okay, okay, we will do couple. So could you please make it clear on what kind of information to put in abstract? Okay, let me tell you, in the abstract part, you generally follow that what problem you are focusing on this research paper. Okay, there is some problem with something. Okay, that part only you are taking in your research paper. Okay, that part only you are focusing in your research only. So you should write your problem basically. Okay, not exactly a problem, but you write it in a sentence form. Okay, it should be in 200 to 250 words. Okay, you should write that part in the abstract part. Okay, you have to write in the problem, and in an introduction you can give that yes, this is the problem, and now in this research paper I have focused on this problem, and I in this the solution part. Okay, you can put in the introduction part, I can say. Okay, that yes, the solution of this problem I have tackled in the research part. And for additional information, yeah, Enoch, I will tell you about the additional information uh, in the in the last slide. Okay, in the last slide I will tell you about the additional information. I have one scenario based question that you might be getting, that yes, this is the use of additional information. Okay, I think abstract part, introduction part is clear to you, Enoch. Okay, okay. Okay. So now where were we? Okay, second point. The author's list should be carefully considered before submission. Okay, this is a very important thing. Sometimes people do like that. Three people are conducting a research. They are writing a research paper on a particular topic. Okay, two of them have worked very well. Okay, let's say one of your teammate has not worked, or he had done very little things. Okay, so you do not want to add his name in the research paper. Let me tell you that this is not the exact thing which you should do. You, all the authors should be listed in your research paper. Okay, those who have even done a little thing also, then also you had to put his or her name in your research paper. Okay, the corresponding authors are required to have an Orchid ID associated with them with their account in Scholar One manuscripts. Okay. I told you that about the Orchid ID. Let me tell you what is this Scholar One manuscripts. So Scholar One manuscripts is the market leader in the peer review software, provides the peer review software, which is used by over 365 societies and publishers, with authors submitting over 1.3 million manuscripts to the journal online every year worldwide. Okay, so now you will be able to see that how much competition is there. Over 1.3 million manuscripts to journals are sent online every year worldwide. Okay, so you need to have the Orchid ID for all the authors. Okay, in Scholar One manuscripts. That then this fourth step is followed by some of the journals that ask for the biographies for the authors. Yeah. Someone is unmuted. I request you all to please mute yourself. Okay. So the short biographies are required for all the authors. as per the required templates, biographies of all the authors should be added to the article below the references. Okay, in the previous slide, let me show you the previous slide. Okay, we have the references section, then we have the authors section. Okay, so with this author section, you should add a small biographies of the authors. Okay, again, some of the channels follow this, like IEEE Access follow this, Springer follow this, maybe Codata doesn't follow this. So you should refer that whether they are following this part or not. Okay, all authors that are listed on that should be listed are on both manuscripts PDF as well as on author list within Scholar One manuscripts. Okay, it should be that all the authors are which you are listed on the manuscript PDF. They should be there in the Scholar One manuscripts having their Orchid ID. Okay, then the article should be thoroughly reviewed for proper grammar before being submitted. Okay, this is the important point. Article with pure grammar will be immediately rejected. You should go through the grammar of your article. Okay, uh, uh, if your article is having a poor grammar, then your article will not be accepted. Okay, all research works should be carefully referenced. Okay, you should carefully put all the references which you have taken from books or sites. You should put them in the reference section. Okay, then the article should not be submitted elsewhere at the same time. This thing I already told you, that you can publish only in one journal at a time. Okay, then the supplementary material, if you have any supplementary material, you can add that along with that. Okay, manuscript keywords minimum 3 or maximum 10. Okay, this is for a particular journal. They may differ from different journals also, this limit, but please carefully select the keywords, and this is how they select the relevant associate editor to manage the peer review of your article. I told you, you have to be very careful while selecting these keywords, because the editor which you get will be based on these keywords only. Okay, they have the software with them. Okay, so it will take out the keywords part from your research paper, and will assign you the relevant associate editor. Okay, then some of the journals, they gave you freedom to point out some names of the opposed reviewers. Okay, if any. Okay, this is optional part. If you think that no, this person should not review my research paper or as, so you can mention it here. Okay, video and images, please look at the size permitted by the journal. That I told you that some journals have a different size. Every journal has different size, so you should follow that size only for giving video or images. Okay, if your article was previously rejected, okay, this is important. If your article is previously rejected after peer review with encouragement to update and resubmit, then a complete list of updates. Okay, they will send you the list of updates, the things which you should update in your article. Okay, then after updating that, okay, you can again give the article to them for publishing. Okay, the list of updates should have the following things. Okay, first, the reviewer's concern. What are the concerns of the reviewers? Then you have the author's response to the concerns. Okay, they will mention that yes, these are the concerns with the research paper. So you should then write that yes, I have responded to your concern in this particular way. Okay, you should also put the actual changes implemented. What all are the changes that you implemented in your article? Okay, then some journals have page limits, while some journals that don't have any such restrictions. But it is strongly recommended that you should complete your research paper within 50 pages. Okay, so I have connected the research and I found out that yes, 50 pages are enough for your research. Okay, if you do write more than 50 pages, then peer review process will take even more time. Okay, so try to complete your research paper within 50 pages only. Okay, manuscripts follow a logical standard structure in order, the following order. Okay, in the abstract part, not more than 250 words. then introduction, then materials and methods. This all things we discussed. The table of contents we have already discussed. Okay, and you should give your data source for reference. Okay, I told you that you have to provide your data source as your article will be open for everyone, so everyone might see that yes, this data source you have used and you have reached to this conclusion based on this data source. Okay, so you should write all your data sources for the references. Okay, so now before moving to the stages, let me know that if someone has any doubt in the checklist past or some things to remember, please do reply in the chat box. If someone is having any doubt, I guess no one is having any doubt. So shall we move forward? Okay, 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 Gaurav, okay, Abhishek. Thank you. Okay, so these are the stages of peer review from submission to the accept or reject decision. Okay, this is the first part, the anti-plagiarism checking. Okay, I told you earlier also they have like anti-plagiarism checking softwares along with them. Okay, so this is really a very important stage. Okay. Okay, enough. Let me tell you that after your paper is rejected, they will send you a mail. Okay, let me show you the previous slide only. Okay, so they will send you the mail with a list of updates. Okay, they will mention the concerns. What are the concerns? What concerns are there uh, uh, on the reviewer site, or what you need to update in your research paper. Okay, so you should update that and give then forward it along with the reviewer's concerns or the response to that concern and the actual changes which you implemented. Okay, yeah, you should give that. Okay, Uh, after after a paper is rejected, it is written in public. Okay, let me tell you that if your paper is rejected, then it will not be going to the publishing state. Okay, so it is not like new publication. Okay, so it will be update only. Okay, you are providing the update to their concerns and then they will publish you. Okay, new publication is when your paper is published and then you give something, then that is new publication. Okay, but if your paper is rejected, then your article is not published now. So why there is new publication? Okay, is it clear? Okay, okay, now upper limit of plagiarism 10. Okay, okay, so very good question from Kapil. See, for the plagiarism, different journals have different percentage of tolerance. Okay, it's not like that it's fixed at 10%. Okay, all journals follow 10%, 15%, so all journals are following the 15%. Okay, there are different percentages. Okay, let me say that IEEE access, it follows somewhere around let's say 25 to 30% of plagiarism is allowed. Okay, so different journals have different plagiarisms. You should refer to the sites. Okay, okay, Kapil, is this clear? Is your doubt cleared, Kapil? Yes, yes, Anand Kumar. I once so let me one thing tell me now that why you should go for the for other journals. Okay, why you should go for other journals? let me tell you have selected the journal. I told you in starting only that you should follow the most appropriate journal only, which publish research papers like your topic. Okay, so if it's the most appropriate journal, then you should try that. Yes, it should be published in this journal only. They will send you the list of updates now. Once a paper is rejected, they will tell you that yes, this is the problem with your research paper, or these are the things missing. So you should update that and try to submit in the same journal. According to my opinion, you should try. You can definitely go for other journals. If your research paper is not published, you can definitely go for other journals. But uh, uh, why you should go? My thing is that you, as you have selected the most appropriate journal, so you should try to publish in that journal only. Okay, okay, Anand. If updation specified at time. See the whole process of if you are publishing a research paper in a journal, you have to be patient. Okay, it's not like 1 or 2 days procedure only. So it's your hard work. Okay, it's not a copy paste thing. I already told you that it's your hard work. So the updations specified time that it will take time. So to publish your hard work, you need to take time. Okay, you have to be patient. That yes, uh, this thing is more. Otherwise, you can do refer to other journals, but I think that you should update that part only because it's your hard work now. It's your hard work. It's not a copy paste thing. Okay, you have conducted research after so many things. Okay, so is it clear, Anand? Is it clear? So we can move forward. Okay, okay. Thank you, thank you. So these are the stages